Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to check motherboard information in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to turn on your computer and wait until your Windows 11 system completely loads up. Make sure everything is fully booted before proceeding to the next steps, as this ensures all system information is properly accessible. Once your PC is ready and you can see your desktop, direct your attention to the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Look for the Windows Start menu icon, which is typically located on the left side of the taskbar. Go ahead and click on it to open your Start menu. This is your gateway to accessing various system tools and settings. With the Start menu now open, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click on it and type in system information. As you type, Windows will begin searching for matching results. Once you've typed it out, simply hit Enter on your keyboard. This will launch the System Information application, which is a built-in Windows utility that provides comprehensive details about your computer's hardware and software configuration. A System Information window will now appear on your screen, presenting you with all the essential information about your Windows PC. This tool is incredibly useful because it displays detailed specifications without requiring you to open your computer case or install any third-party software. You'll notice the window is organized into two main columns, one labeled Item and another labeled Value. This layout makes it easy to read and understand your system specifications. Now carefully scroll through the information displayed in the window and look for three specific entries: baseboard manufacturer, baseboard product, and version. These three fields contain all the detailed information about your motherboard. The baseboard manufacturer tells you which company made your motherboard. The baseboard product shows you the exact model number or name of your motherboard. And the version indicates which revision or version of that particular motherboard model you have installed in your system. And that's it. You've successfully checked your motherboard information in Windows 11 using the built-in System Information tool. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.